Ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to present to you the ever-motivated and competitive graduates of grade 12 Standard Mundo, composed of 19 male learners and 19 female learners. Let's begin with Alabado Ian Kenneth B. Academic Excellence Awardee with highest honors, Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee, and also a recipient of the Parish Involvement Awardee from St. James. Specific Discipline Awardee in Communication Arts, Municipal Schools Press Conference First Placer in TV Broadcasting, Participant in Division Schools Press Conference. Also the recipient of the Journalist of the Year Award from the reporter served as the TV broadcaster. Also, Specific Discipline Awardee in Science, CNC Cola First Placer, and Division Science Fair Second Placer in CNC Cola. Also the participant in Physical naman National Quiz Bee Competition in Physics held at UP Diliman. Also the Leadership Awardee, the Club President of SciCon, and President of the Batang Empowered and Resilient Team. Also a recipient of the Division Gawad Pagkabay 2024 First Placer Best SSLG Implementer in Makakaikasan. And last but not the least, the recipient of the Alpha Phi Omega International Incorporated Meritorious Distinction and Formidable Leadership Award. Baldos Justin Ivan D. Work Immersion Awardee. Brillante John Belcher A. Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Work Immersion Awardee. Cervantes Mark Cedric B. Academic Excellence Awardee with honors.